ethics that you should follow in fly fishing, and they're really just basic common sense or the golden rule. Give other people their space on the water. Don't crowd other people. If you see somebody in the water, try to go somewhere else. Try to go upstream or downstream. Give people space. That's probably the most important thing you can do in fishing. If you do encounter another angler on the water, there's a right way and a wrong way to do it. I'm going to show you the wrong way. How you doing? Doing any good today? I saw you just catch a fish. I thought this probably is a good pool, so I thought I'd fish here. All right, so that's obviously the wrong way. Here's a suggestion on the right way to do things. First of all, stay out of the water if someone else is in the water. Stay on the bank so you don't disturb the water. How's it going? I was gonna fish around here. Are you working upstream or are you working downstream? You're working downstream? Okay, do you mind if I go way upstream of you and fish? Great, okay, have a great day. See ya. The first example was a bit exaggerated, but a little bit of communication between you and other anglers on the stream, asking them which way they're going, staying out of their way, is really gonna make your experience on the water more pleasant and theirs as well.